Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Copilot app. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, recently Copilot introduced new updates and new features that allow you to connect different apps to your Copilot. In this video, I will show you on how to simply connect your OneDrive app to your Copilot for easy file access from OneDrive. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. And then go ahead and click on Use Connectors. Then scroll down right here and select any apps you want to connect. So I want to connect OneDrive. So go ahead and click on Microsoft OneDrive, connect, and you have it right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Continue to Microsoft OneDrive. I'm going to go ahead and click on Continue to Microsoft OneDrive. Just like so, you'll be asked to log in to your OneDrive account or Microsoft account. Go ahead and click on here and choose your OneDrive account. After a successful login, go ahead and click on No right here. So you can choose your activities right here. Being the Microsoft, you have to make sure you choose Bing. Now successfully connected. So if I click on this plus sign right here now, you see that OneDrive has been fully linked to my Copilot for easy file access. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this on how to use Copilot, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.